From the dawn of human civilization to the present day, horticulture has played a vital role in Indian life. In this video, let's explore its journey through the ages. Join our science journey. Subscribe and turn on alerts for new updates. During the Paleolithic period, humans gathered horticultural crops like fruits, nuts, roots, and leafy vegetables exclusively from the wild. In the Neolithic period, humans began domesticating horticultural crops, marking the start of horticulture. During the Harappan period, the pipal tree was valued for both worship and shade. In Vedic period, the Aryans often named their children after flowers, such as Bela, Chameli, Champa, Kamal, Madhvi, and Rukmani. The lotus was associated with Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi, the Kadamba with Lord Krishna, the Semal with Lord Shiva, the Bohenia with goddess Saraswati, and the Amaranthus with goddess Kali. The banyan tree was revered as Kalpavriksha, the wish-fulfilling tree. The golden shower tree symbolized prosperity in trade. Valmiki's Ramayana describes Ayodhya city's gardens with fruit and flowering trees, and lakes filled with lotuses. The roads were lined with shady trees. Sita was held in Ashokavanam, a garden primarily of Ashoka trees. Vyas Mahabharat mentions pleasure gardens with flowering plants and ponds with lotuses and lilies. In the Buddhist period, trees were central to the life of Buddha. Born under an Ashoka tree, enlightened under a pipal tree, delivered his first sermon among mango and banyan trees, and passed away under a sal grove. Buddhist monks also used plants to beautify monasteries. In Mauryan period, Emperor Ashoka adopted arboriculture as a state policy, encouraging the planting of avenue trees. Ashoka's son, Prince Mahendra, took a sapling of the Bodhi tree to Sri Lanka. In the Gupta period, the poet Kalidasa mentions pleasure gardens in his play Shakuntala. Vatsyayana's Kamsutra categorized gardens into 4 types: Pramododyan, Udyan, Vrikshavtika, and Nandanvana. In Sultanate of Delhi period, the Persian invaders introduced cultivated grapes to North India and later to Daulatabad in Maharashtra. Feroz Shah Tughlaq is credited with creating 1,200 fruit gardens around Delhi. In Mughal period, Babur founded gardens like Kabuli Bagh, Panipat, and Ram Bagh, Agra. He introduced exotic plants like cypress, rose, carnation, narcissus, daffodils, lilies, and tulip. Sher Shah Suri developed the Grand Trunk Road from Lahore to Kolkata with shady avenue trees. Akbar established Lak Bagh, a mango orchard of 1 lakh trees, in Darbhanga, Bihar. He also created a palace garden at Agra and the Humayun Tomb Garden at Sikandara, Agra. Jahangir built Itimadurdola's Tomb Garden in Agra and the famous Shalimar, Achbal, and Verinag gardens in Kashmir. Shah Jahan founded the Taj Mahal Garden and Red Fort Garden in Agra, Red Fort Garden in Delhi, and Chashma Shahi in Srinagar. Aurangzeb formed a garden at Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Fidai Khan, a general of Aurangzeb, developed the breathtaking Yadvindra Garden at Pinjore in Haryana. Wajid Ali Shah, last Nawab of Oudh, enhanced the royal garden laid out by Nawab Sadat Ali Khan and renamed it Sikandar Bagh. Now, it houses the National Botanical Research Institute. In Rajput period, Rajput rulers created magnificent palace gardens at Amba, Mandya, Jaipur, and Chittor. The Jat ruler, Suraj Mal, founded the palace garden at Deeg. In British period, the British introduced herbaceous borders and lawns in Indian gardens and advanced gardening in 3 major ways. 1. Introducing exotic plants from England and other countries. 2. Setting up royal agri-horticultural societies and botanical gardens. And 3. Compiling the local flora of different regions. Regional rulers also contributed. Maharaja Ranjit Singh formed the Ram Bagh Garden at Amritsar. Kings Bhupinder Singh and Yadvindra Singh of Patiala created the Baradri Garden, introducing gladiolus and carnation varieties. Hyder Ali, ruler of Mysore, founded the renowned Lal Bagh Garden in Bangalore, importing plants from Mauritius and other countries. The Agricultural Research Institute, founded in 1905 at Pusa, Bihar, was shifted to Delhi in 1936 and became the Indian Agricultural Research Institute after independence. It was granted deemed university status in 1958. The Imperial Council of Agricultural Research, instituted in 1929 as a registered society based on the recommendations of the Royal Commission on Agriculture, was renamed the Indian Council of Agricultural Research in 1946 and serves as the apex body for coordinating, guiding, and managing research and education in agriculture, including horticulture, fisheries, and animal sciences, across the country. ICAR, Central Potato Research Institute, was founded in 1949 and is located in Shimla. The Central Indian Medicinal Plants Organization of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, created in 1957 and started functioning from 1959, was rechristened as the Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants in 1978 and has its headquarters at Lucknow. The Division of Plant Introduction, set up at IRI in 1961, was upgraded to an independent institute, National Bureau of Plant Introduction, in 1976, which was later renamed as the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources in 1977. ICAR, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, was formed in 1963, with its headquarters at Srikriyam, Thiruvananthapuram. The Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, the first horticultural research institute in the country, was founded in 1967. It has its headquarters in Bengaluru, Karnataka. ICAR, Central Plantation Crops Research Institute, Kasaragod, Kerala, was instituted in 1970. ICAR, Directorate of Mushroom Research in Solan, Himachal Pradesh, was upgraded to its present status in 2008. The National Horticulture Board was set up at Gurugram in Haryana in 1984. The Central Institute for Subtropical Horticulture in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, was renamed to its present form in 1995. ICAR, Directorate of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants Research, was instituted in 1992 at Borivali in Anand district of Gujarat. M. H. Marigorha, known as the father of Indian horticulture, passed away in 1993. National Horticulture Day is celebrated on 8th August, his birth anniversary. ICAR, the Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, was founded at Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, in 1994. ICAR, Indian Institute of Spices Research, was created at Kozhikode in Kerala in 1995. ICAR, National Research Centre for Orchids, was formed at Pakyong in Sikkim in 1996. ICAR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, was set up at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh in 1999. ICAR, National Research Centre on Seed Spices, was instituted at Ajmer in Rajasthan in 2000. The National Horticulture Mission, a centrally sponsored scheme, was launched in 2005-2006. ICAR, Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research in Pune, Maharashtra, is an upgraded institute in 2008. The Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, a centrally sponsored scheme, was launched in 2014. The Clean Plant Program was approved by the Union Cabinet on 9th August, 2024, with an investment of 1,765.67 crore rupees. It aims to provide access to virus-free, high-quality planting material, leading to increased crop yields and improved income opportunities. From gathering fruits in the wild to pioneering world-class research and high-tech gardens, horticulture in India has a rich and vibrant history that continues to flourish today.